So if you have your volume on, you'll probably want to turn it down. We're doing some more sounds today, and today is city sounds. So I'm just going to hit play. Oh, I can get... Not too loud. Don't want to hurt their ears. We'll play that for a while, just to get them used to sounds. So this is a playlist. This isn't actually what it sounds like outside my house, thank goodness. But some puppies will be going to places where they'll hear things like this. It's always good to get used to new sounds. And why, whenever I do a video, do you guys just sleep? You're darn cute when you sleep, but you're, oh, you're so sweet. Well, at least I know this isn't bothering you. You're good little puppies. Yes, you're good little puppies. Okay. Well, obviously this doesn't bother you. Oh, there's Mummy. Okay, Serenity, should I put them back? Alright, Mummy has spoken.